We guide you through how to change your Outlook display name. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Outlook on your computer and click on File in the top left corner. Then go to Account Settings and click Account Settings again from the drop-down. In the email, select the account you want to edit and click Change. Once the settings window opens, you'll see a field labeled your name, and this is the display name that appears when you send emails. Simply delete the old name and type in your new preferred name. After that, click Next and Finish to save your changes. Now, close and reopen Outlook to make sure everything updates properly. If you're using Outlook on the web, just log in into your account, go to profile icon, click View Account, then edit your personal info and update your display name there. Keep in mind that some organizations using Microsoft Exchange may restrict name changes, so you might need admin approval. And that's it.